I'm Advocate Dilip Shinde and part-time professor in various colleges in Mumbai. It is for the first time that I was invited to Bhaghat Changu Thakur College-of-Law, New Panvel. It was a pleasure to be here because I did not know that such a college existed in Panvel. It has good infrastructure and it has not only 5-year course, 3-year course, but even LLM course. Um, they, they are holding a lecture series on topics dealing with the crime. And I was one of the resource person, and I had to give a lecture on the criminal justice system in India. First of all, I was very impressed that not only students of the various levels were present, but they had called in various advocates also who were practicing in the Panvel court. And not only that, the judges of the Panvel court were also present, and which was a very pleasant surprise for me. And there was some interaction of mine with the professors uh, before before giving the lecture. I even had the pleasure of interacting with the judiciary that were present. And I found that the students, the professors and all were very receptive. My lecture was not only a one-sided lecture, because I was asking questions to the students and the professors. And I was impressed that some of the answers that they gave was something that I appreciated. And most of the students were taking down the notes. Even some of the judicial members were taking down the notes. And the lecture, though it went on for 90 minutes, there was pin drop silence, and everybody heard me till the end. And I was very happy to have come here and given this lecture. The criminal justice system is very vast, and in 90 minutes I had to cover the different institutions and the different aspects. And now that there has been amendments in the three major acts, criminal acts, that is the IPC, the CRPC, and the Evidence Act, I had to tell them that what are the changes that have been brought by this government in order to reduce the pendency of the cases and in order to expedite the cases. And as far as this new amendments are concerned, I feel that if implemented properly, the judicial system, the police force, as well as the prison system can improve a great deal. Thank you very much.